Nere malakanyam biya kamal ka Nuer Language School and wala banarwach ka dobrine Thok English kana dobrine Thok Nath. Banarwach ka dwo badande rande di tike shode di tike tungwan kana content bukon ngitin wala banje chu toka ngijen yam. Tuto kona tena ka question ke de shwala tejne. Question a teach. Thok na jakaman yam. Micha ijugono na what are you doing? What are you doing? Jugan jeno angula dimo. What are you doing? Angula dimo. Where are you from? Where are you from? Biwanis. Where are you from? Taken jeno biwanis. What is your name? What is your name? Shalji idi. Ke shall shududi. What is your name? Shall jidi ke shall shududu dere lare nono. How old are you? Ti karundangdi. How old are you? Ti karundangdi. Ami ay tiji nono and how old are you? Jukun jino jin ti karundangdi. Where do you live? Jukun jino nene shengu winis ke shengu nika. Where do you live? How are you today? Me ay jogono how are you today jonji nodi? Nangaji idi and wale. Ajan lotamo ka how are you today? Ki wedi ka ji and wale. How are you today? Nangaji idi and wale. Are you busy? Ti kalat. Are you busy? Ti kalat. Micha ay jogono are you busy? Ti kenijino ti kalat. Ki dere larno really. Are you busy? Ti kalat miladi. Are you free now? Lutkuno nena. Katama lorry. Ki lorry and tema. Are you free now? Micha ay tijino. Are you free now? Jogonjino tema lorry. What do you like to do? Angumi noki ibilat. What do you like to do? Do you speak English? Take eniji jin raji ka Thok English. De kon larno nene sometime jin neji Thok English. Do no raj malu na meje me chaw do you speak English? Jogon jino jin raji ka Thok English. Do you speak English? Jin raji ka Thok English. Ke de kon larno jin neji Thok English. Do you know how to speak English? Jingaji Thok English. Namadera gwa. What are you eating? Michaji teji nono. Angumi cham de kolar nono. What are you eating? Angumi chami mo. Angumi chami mo. De ne kwa apa ku drop down diri nankaja. What are you eating? Angumi chami. What are you drinking? Angu mimasi mo. What are you drinking? Drinking amamati, eating amichame. What are you drinking? Angu mimasi. Where are you going? Kajin winika. Deko larno no. Kajin we Nika, the Chanaman Cabinona, Winika, Kajin Winika, where are you going? Kajin Winika. Where did you go yesterday? Kajin Shiwinika, Pan, the collar nono. Lurna Pan. Where did you go yesterday? Pan. Where did you go yesterday? Kajin Shiwinika, Pan. No more there la kelm there on a cap. Tukon kamudodian gwasmin bide konang. What did you eat yesterday? Micha aji tijina. What did you eat yesterday? Jogun jino angum cham pan. De kona lare nono. Angum cham pan. Yesterday lo na pan. Angum cham pan. What did you eat yesterday? Are you tired? Kajin chuj. Kajin chichu kejin luang aji. Are you tired? Are you tired? Kajin chichu kejin chichuj. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Kajin nagbosi. Kajin nagbosi dire tejinona. Kajin nagbosi. Are you hungry? Are you happy? Are you happy? Kajin tell Lloyd. Kajin tell Lloyd. Are you happy? Jin tell Lloyd. What is the weather like? What is the weather like? Kajom shede kangu. Kajom wedi. Weather ejom. Kajom shede kangu. Kajom wedi. What is the weather like? Do you like music? Do you like music? Jim nokubul. Music de kono cholo bul. Do you like music? Jim nokubul. Can you help me? Can you help me? Jindere halwak. Jindere halwak. Can you help me? Jindere halwak. Do you understand? Do you understand? Kajin chachubloid. Do you understand? Kajin shubaloid de larnono. Kajin shubaloid chana mungor guasame. Kajin shubaloid. Do you understand? Kajin shubaloid de nangano. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Jindere racha amonyokalat. Jindere racha amonyokalat. Jindere racha amonyokalat. Can you repeat that? Repeat lo de minyokalot. Minyokadworkalot. Can you repeat that? Jindere racha amonyokalat. Komo dongdere lo dire randere jogonono. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Jindere racha math. Jindere racha math. Can you speak slowly? Jindere racha math. Can you speak slowly? What do you do? Sorry, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Lurnuone. Angumi guri enwu bicham. Angumi guri enwu bicham. Angumi guri enwu bicham. Tijaname. What do you want to eat? Angumi guri enwu bicham. What time is it? What time is it? 8:30. 8:30. What time is it? 8:30. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Angumala mesdu munoki. Kie met munoki mo. Kie kwenadien nokimo. What is your favorite food? A kwenadien nokimo. Angumala mesdu munoki. What is your favorite food? Angumala mesdu munoki. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Jin noki chai. Jin noki chai. Do you like tea? Jin noki chai. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Katame jin winika. Katame jin winika. Where are you going now? Katame jin winika. Where are you going now? Katame jin winika. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Anga milamezdu migwa. Anga milamezdu migwa. Anga milamezdu migwa. Who is your best friend? Anga milamezdu migwa. Who is your best friend? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? Maluda janane. What do you do in the morning? Angung miladi karun wang. What do you do in the morning? Angung miladi karun wang. Do you have a phone? Do you have a phone? Kajin ti jat. Ti ke jat. Kajin ti ke jat. Do you have a phone? Are you at home? Are you at home? Kajin ti dauru. Kajin ti chang. Are you at home? What day is today? What day is today? Achanguka and wale. Achanguka and wale. What day is today? Ashanguka and wale. Ki ashanka di and wale. What day is today? Do you like learning English? Do you like learning English? Jinnoki need talk English. Ke jinnoki jango butuk English bianga. Jinnoki need talk English. Bana me banja gerguasana. Jinnoki need talk English. Jinnoki need talk English. Do you like learning English? Jinnoki need talk English. If you are new to this channel, please, I would like you to tip the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new lesson, you can be notified. Miji ramen nogo nijima no dere we niam. Go no jin subscribe ko be notification bell bi jetwan komite ni michi bere gwa be chamala shibe ke jika pet. Bi atemal ban jika ngido dien. Bye bye.